The area I chose to study is the Ohio River Basin, which encompasses parts of 14 states and spans from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania to Paducah, Kentucky. Other major cities like Indianapolis and Nashville also reach the Ohio River tributaries. I chose this area because this is my area of responsibility where I work, and I thought it'd be interesting to relate this to the course. There are also 21 locks and dams along the Ohio River, as noted by the black dots on the map. Polydon spathula, or American paddlefish, has existed for 65 million years and was first reported on the Mississippi River in the 1500s. This species is related to the sturgeon. The only other species that bears similar characteristics is the carnivorous paddlefish in China. In the 1800s, the species was considered abundant in Ohio, and they are popular throughout the Ohio River Basin. A combination of overfishing and installation of locks and dams drastically impacted the species. Different states have different laws for the fish, which makes management challenging. For example, Kentucky may allow an angler to take 2 fish per day, but Indiana does not allow any fish to be taken. Another one of the challenges is the market for caviar. Paddlefish eggs are considered high grade and can sell for over $400 per kilogram. There has also been research into the species' reintroduction into parts of the Ohio River that no longer see this fish. Still, more research is needed to identify the density of zooplankton and other habitat requirements for species success. As I mentioned earlier, there are 21 locks and dams on the Ohio River. These are managed by the Army Corps of Engineers to regulate navigable waterway, mitigate flooding, and produce electricity. As you can see on this graphic, locks and dams on the Ohio River provide some control to the drastic elevation change. In addition to the threat to paddlefish, another challenge that the Ohio River Fisheries Management Team faces is the invasion of Asian carp. The McAlpin Lock and Dam in Louisville actually created a barrier to Asian carp movement upriver. So the locks can create a positive impact. There are other control methods available to use on these species, but those are currently still under development for this particular team. Thank you.